Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'll show you how to add link to your Instagram bio. So let's open Instagram on your phone, then you want to go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen. Now right below your Instagram bio you will see Edit Profile button, and now let's tap on Add a Link. Press Add Link one more time, and here in this field you need to paste your web address that you wish to add. And also, if you want, you can type title. If you want, I will do that. Like this, and do not forget to tap done in the top right in order to save the link. Now let's go back, and this is how it looks like from your profile. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.